Hey guys, it's CodeZealot, and I'm back with another tutorial for Minecraft 1.13. Today we're going to look at the fill command, and we're going to see how we can use it to make some really interesting things. So let's go ahead and jump right into learning about this new command in Minecraft 1.13. Okay guys, so in the last video we looked at the setblock command, which essentially was a small version of the fill command. That command allowed us to set a single block anywhere that we wanted to using coordinates. Now, this command is essentially the set block command only multiplied. So instead of only being able to set one block, we can set a lot of blocks. Now, the way we do this is we essentially pick where we want to put the first point. So we're going to expand this little dirt area with this command. So this is going to be the first point, or the top left corner we're going to use. So if we type out fill and press tab 3 times, that'll give us the coordinate for the block we're looking at. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this and then walk over here to where we want to extend it out. So we want to be in line with this block, and we want to put the other corner over here. Now this is the opposite corner to the first corner we've selected. So if we go ahead and bring up the chat and paste the command in that we started, press spacebar and then enter in the new set of coordinates. Now this is the second corner. We can go ahead and press tab 3 times to get the coordinates of the block we're looking at. So to summarize, we have the first corner right here, X, Y, and Z, and now we have the opposite corner right here, X, Y, and Z. Now, once we have those coordinates, it's time to pick the block that we want to fill this area with. So we're going to go ahead and extend the dirt, so we're just going to type out dirt. If we press enter, we'll see that we've successfully extended this land without having to place every single block manually. Now, this is pretty cool. There's also some other things that we can do with this command that are very useful. For example, say you want to build some giant structure. What you can do is actually pick the corner down here and then go up higher with another corner and use these 2 points as the corner coordinates for this command. So let's go ahead and try it out. If we type out fill, press tab 3 times, we'll get the coordinates for that block, copy it, go down here, we'll do the exact same thing we did earlier. We're going to paste it, press spacebar, and then fill in those coordinates with tab, and then we're going to say what we want. Now let's go ahead and just use dirt and press spacebar. Now once we've done that, we can see that there are actually different flags that we can use with this command. Now if we want to use something called hollow, this is really interesting. Check this out. If we type hollow as the flag at the end of this command and press enter, we see that we filled this area just like we did previously. We picked 2 corner blocks and then filled in the space between them. Now, since we used the hollow flag, however, this is not one giant solid square. Inside of this is actually hollow space. So you can see how that hollow flag works. Very useful if you want to build some sort of giant house and you want to use this as a way to make a giant square that you can then alter and add to and make something very easily, very quickly using commands. So that's one of the flags. Now there are other flags here. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll let you guys do that on your own, but essentially they're pretty self-explanatory. The destroy flag is the default setting. So if you use this command and there's something else already there, it will simply destroy whatever there. If you use the hollow, it does what we just saw. If you use keep, it'll fill the area that you specify, but if there are any blocks in the way, then it will keep those blocks. It will not overwrite them. And then the outline is pretty much the same thing as the hollow, only it has a difference of how the blocks are positioned. They are essentially outlining the blocks that you've given it as coordinates. And then lastly, we have the replace tag. Now I will show you this one because it's very, very awesome. Say you've built something and you actually decided that you don't like the way it looks because of the block you selected to use. Well, with this little flag at the end of our command, we can actually fix it all in one go. So we've used dirt. Now we actually want to replace it with stone. So let's go ahead and type out stone as our replacement block filter and press enter. Oh, whoops, I put it backwards. Let's flip those around. So it should be stone because we're filling with stone and we want to replace the dirt. There we go. Check that out, guys. We actually replaced all of the blocks that were dirt with stone. So let's give this one more go just so we can be clear since I made that error about the blocks names right here. So this needs to be the block that we're replacing. We are replacing stone. And the first block we give it is the block that we want to fill this area with. So let's go ahead and say we're going to fill it with these planks right here. So now if we look at this command, we have the fill command with our two corners. The first one has these blue coordinates. The second corner has these yellow coordinates. Then we have the block we want to fill this area with, and we're telling Minecraft that we want to replace all stone blocks in this area right here. So if we press enter, there we go. We have instantaneously replaced 209 blocks in our Minecraft world. Alright guys, that's it for this video on the fill command in Minecraft 1.13. Now I'm going to be making a video for every command in Minecraft 1.13, so check back to this playlist often because there's going to be a lot of new content coming out for all the different commands, so you guys can learn how to use every single command in Minecraft. Now I want to show you guys what we're going to be doing next time. We're going to be looking at the execute command. Now I've received so many requests for this command because it is arguably the most powerful command in Minecraft. And the syntax has changed since version 1.12, so there's a lot of confusion out there about how to actually use the execute command now. So we're going to look at that next time. Now as a quick preview, this is the kind of thing you can do with the execute command. This is why it is so powerful. So let me go ahead and flip my view around here, and you're going to be looking at a disaster that is about to happen. Now, why would I place all these TNT blocks here? The answer is, I really don't know. I did it for you guys because I knew that you would be excited about this, because check this out. Inside of this command block is an execute command. And what this command does is it literally allows me to place TNT anywhere that I go without placing it manually. So check this out. If I flip this switch, look at this trail of TNT that is literally following me. Now, if I go ahead and stop flying, you can see if I just walk in a line, all of this TNT is being placed automatically as I just run through my Minecraft world. This is just one example of the kind of thing that you can do with the execute command in Minecraft 1.13. Alright guys, I'm going to stop placing this TNT before I make a mess that I cannot repair very easily, although I could use that fill command we talked about to fix all of this sand issue that I have going on. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so you can get all of the updates about the new videos coming out on this channel about Minecraft 1.13. I'll see you guys in that tutorial on the execute command.